Welcome back. So setting up correct shipping rate is the most important thing to do for any e-commerce store. But Wix provides very easy way to set the shipping rate for our product according to region, according to weight and according to the product price. So let's see how to set the shipping price. So as we have seen, getting paid and catalog. Now to set the shipping price, we need to go to the setting, and under setting you will find shipping and fulfillment. So when we click on shipping and fulfillment, first we need to set the region. So from which region customers are purchasing, that we need to first select. If you are selling to particular country or even for particular state of the country, it's possible. So let's take an example of this. I have selected two regions. One is for India and one is for international. So if you want to provide the different shipping rate and shipping condition, you can select the region accordingly. Else you can select only single region. Let's dive deep inside the settings of each region. So after selecting the region, you can set the shipping price for the product. So when you enter the new region, you need to select the region. You can edit it. So I have selected all the state of India. That means entire country I have selected. You can also select only particular state or few state for this shipping region, and later on rest state you can add for the different shipping rate. Likewise, if you want to provide the free shipping rate for my state Gujarat, or for example if I want to set free shipping for the state Gujarat and flat rate shipping for all other states, then what I can do, I can select only Gujarat in this region and I can add new region for adding other state. Likewise, we can add the first region and then define the shipping price for that region. So for India, all the state, we can have option of free shipping, and after free shipping also you can add the estimated delivery time. It is optional but you can add it, right? And you can name it free shipping. Then you can add the flat rate shipping. That means for all the product irrespective of weight, for this region, if someone is purchasing from this region, they will get this shipping charges. So this is 69 for all the single product, right? And you will also find the option to offer free shipping to the customer for certain amount, right? So if order amount exceeds certain amount, you can provide the free shipping. So this is also possible from within this setting. Remember always, this is for particular region. It will not affect the other region, right? If you not add the region, you will not be able to sell to this region. That means if you select only one state, then if your customer trying to purchase from some other state, they will get notification during checkout that the store is not selling the product to your region, right? You won't be able to check out. So if you want to sell internationally, you need to add all the region. So for India, we can set flat rate shipping. So after free shipping and flat rate shipping, we will have option to set the rate by weight. So when you click it, now you can set what will be the product weight. But remember, when you set the rate by weight, your each product should be properly weighted. So when you list the product, there should be proper weight in your product so that actual shipping rate can be calculated. Now you know that there is two methods to calculate weight. One is from actual weight mass and other is the volumetric weight. So most shipping provider use the highest weight. So accordingly you can set the weight, right? You can name it. So whatever name you want to add for this shipping method, you can name it, right? And you can set the rate for suppose 54, right? You can also add the range, right? That means from 0 to and 1.2.1. For next only 30. So likewise you can set, so likewise you can add the range also for the weight. So this is the great way to set the shipping rate based on weight. Here also you can offer the free shipping for certain amount. So after rate by weight, we will have option of rate by price. So if you want to set the shipping rate by price, then also you can add range over here. If your customer order amount of suppose 150, 150 to 250, this is 69, and if it is above, then you can rate 59. Likewise, you can set your shipping rate based on the total amount of cart. So it's also possible. So it is not that it is not for product, it is for your entire cart value. So your order value. So after rate by price, we will have option of rate by product, right? So when you select this option, you will also find here the manage product group will appear. So I have created group prior, that's why the two groups will appear. So these two are that group created prior to setting it from here. So when you create the product group, your group will be appear. So you can assign the product to particular group. So it is not the category, not that category is different. This group is for setting the shipping rate. You can manage the group, you can assign the group to each product from here, right? So if you want more group, you can add new group from here also, and likewise you can assign the group to the product. So this will be great help to set the product shipping rate based on the group of product. Like you can set the shipping rate for product that belongs to group of clothes. You can make a one group belong to the clothes, right? You can make a group of product which fall under the same category, and you can assign the fixed shipping rate for that product, right? So this way you can set the shipping rate by product. So this is one shipping method. Now under the same region you can also add the another shipping method, right, by providing the its name here, right? So that during checkout person can have two options. So if you want to provide more than one shipping rate like the standard in which you are using one courier service and with some higher shipping rate or higher shipping price, you are ready to provide the fastest courier provider. That means customer will have option to select the shipping rate based on the delivery time and the logistic provider. So this way you can also add the more shipping rate under the same group. So let's make it again flat rate, and now below the shipping setting you will find local delivery. So local delivery means if you want to set the shipping rate for your particular region, you can add the local delivery by the pin code or with the help of radius, right? You can set the radius also. That means from particular location 4 km radius, 5 km radius, you can provide the local delivery. Here I have set the postal code. So based on these two code, if person is purchasing from this area, they will charge only INR 30 as a shipping charge, and estimated delivery time will also be less. So this way you can provide the different shipping rate for local region, and you can also offer the here free shipping for certain amount of order. So this way if you have local store or more than one local store, then your inventory already stored or you have the warehouse at particular location, you can use your own parcel delivery service and you can provide the fastest delivery. So this way you can also have the local delivery option. If you have more than one warehouse, you can add more local delivery service, right? And at last we will also have the pickup option. So if you want, the customer can directly pick up from your store or warehouse. You can provide this option. Just you need to mention the address, and customer do not need to pay any shipping charges, but they need to pick up their order. So once your product is ready to pick up, you can send the mail by just clicking from the dashboard, and the customer will get notification. Here you can also mention the detail, your address, right, how to pick up, and some information that customer required during the pickup. So you can mention it over here. So this way you can set the shipping price. Let's check out for this international. So here I have set the rate by product. We have two product group. If someone purchase from rest of the world, that means not from the India, because I use the region India already in one shipping region. So now for this region, it will consider rest of the world, right? We can also select few country also, but let's select it for the rest of the world. And rate by product, if product belong to one category, it is stored in the warehouse in the India. So if I am shipping from India to abroad, then I am collecting the shipping rate of 900, which is average shipping rate in India. And if product belong to other group, that means I already considered the shipping rate for this product group, and I am providing the free shipping for this group, right, worldwide. So likewise, based on product, we can also set the shipping rate. So I hope that you get the exact idea about how to set the shipping rate. First, set the region, and for this region, select the shipping method.